Oh yeah, she's feeding out pretty good. YouTube, what's going on? I got one for you today. I got this thing off Amazon. I paid, I think like $50 something, $56, something like that for it. It's a smoke machine. I'm about to show you guys that it actually works. I used it the other day on this Duramax right here, and I found a big boost leak, so we replaced the intercooler pipe with an aftermarket one, of course, and they fixed that leak. And now I'm about to hook this back up and check it for leaks again. And I thought about it. I said, you know what? Let me post this thing on YouTube for the people like me that ain't got one of those big fancy smoke machines. Don't want to buy one that's $200, $300, $400. Don't need one. Ain't got a shop. I do all my work in the driveways or the parking lots on the side of the road. So pretty much, it's got this liquid that comes with it. It's called smoke fluid. I don't know, but I heard through someone that if it when you run out, you probably can use some Diddy juice in it, or I mean some baby oil. I heard baby oil will work just fine. So it comes with that. You pretty much pull that red cap, that plug out. You pretty much pull that out and you pour it in there, not to exceed one of those packets, whatever it is, 20 milliliters. So I already had a packet poured in here before. It's got two modes. It's got a normal mode. I think they said that's set for 7 pounds of pressure. I don't know if that's showing up good on there or not. Yeah, that's a normal mode there, and then it's got an EVAP mode, the 0 to 1 PSI, so you'll be able to switch it there. I'm putting it back on here. It's got a chain in it to hang it up. I'm gonna pause for a second and go get set up on the Duramax right here. So here we go. I got it hanging here from the hood, and I took this plug out of the pipe here, the charge pipe. So originally it was leaking down in here at the Y bridge. I can show you what it was. Get back here to the driveway toolbox. It came in, it had this pipe on it, this aftermarket pipe, but it still had the factory Y bridge on it. And the Y bridge sits down in there like this, bolted to the intake on both sides. And this piece here goes into there. And then that blue pipe was bolted to it, and it was connected to the intercooler, where it kept popping out like that. And it was a big boost leak down here. So I opted to replace the whole thing with a new setup. I'll post a link to what I bought. I put on it. I bought this truck for my 16-year-old kid. So what I did was pull this plug out the pipe here. I'm gonna take the end of here and I'm gonna put it inside there. But right now we're gonna connect it first to the battery. See if it still got enough liquid in it to get the smoke going. I don't know if you can hear it. It's running. It's on. I'm gonna wait till smoke start coming out of here. It's a very faint smoke coming out. I don't know if that's showing up good on camera. There, you can see the smoke coming out. So I'm just gonna run it up here, up under there, and put it inside here. Twist it tight, and we're just gonna let it run. I don't know, a few minutes I would think it takes to to get it filled up with smoke and see if we have any leaks. And I'll bring you back if I find something. So right now I'm just gonna start the video because I don't think I need to make it extra long. I'm just looking to see if that leak is fixed down there completely, which is, I think I did a good job. So I'm gonna stop the video here, and when it's when I think it had enough smoke in it, if it's not leaking anywhere, then I'll bring you guys back. Okay, we back at it. So it's been going for I had it going for about 10 minutes. I don't see no smoke anywhere. I tried to look up in there good. I'm gonna call that as a fix. Checking the intercooler area. It's a little windy out. But yeah, I don't see any smoke. So I think I'm gonna have to call that as a fix. Let's make sure it's still pumping smoke at least. Oh yeah, she's feeding out pretty good. Like I say, this thing was only I think it was like $56 on Amazon. I found a leak and connected and posted. And like always, thanks for watching. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up. If it wasn't useful, give it a thumbs down. Like and subscribe, baby. Help me out. Peace.